Meaning of general purpose.
General purpose.
General purpose.
General purpose.
General purpose. General purpose refers to a device, tool, or system that is designed to perform a wide range of tasks or functions, rather than being limited to a specific application or purpose. This versatility and adaptability make general purpose technology highly valuable and widely used across a variety of industries, from computing to manufacturing. The term is often used to describe software programs, electronic devices, and even vehicles that are designed to be useful in a broad range of contexts. In short, general-purpose technology is essential for flexibility and innovation in today's dynamic and rapidly evolving world.